construction of a cylinder or a cone and also circle will be transferred into the isometric sheet. How to transfer isometric view of a circle? So first I'll explain. So no need to take any of the distances, because here this distance is nothing but a diameter. This distance is nothing but a diameter 60. On either side we have to take the 60. For that I marked a first point here. So 60 on either side we have to take. So we'll mark here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And also you can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 directly. No need of any scale or anything. 6 by 6, because 60 mm diameter is there. So total length of the box is, so please draw all these lines very thin. Now I have made a box. Now we'll make the center. First we got all these points. Now we'll mark the center 1, 2, 3. It is nothing but center is here. So just for confirmation I'm marking all the centers. After marking all the centers, from one I'm joining opposite centers. Please see, look at this. I'm joining opposite centers. These centers will be joined to the third point to the all these centers. So from 1 I have joined for this center, that is in between 2 and 3. From 1 I have joined to this center, that is in between 3 and 4. From 3 I have joined in between 4 and 1 center, and from 3 also once again I have joined from 1 and 2 centers. So once again we will give the name here. We will give the name. This says 1 already I have given. C1 will make for just for construction. C1, C3. So we'll take it as C2 and C4 just for construction purpose. Now with the help of divider, C1 as center, this as radius, these two as radius. Both will intersect very easily by taking C1 as center. In the same opposite, C3 as center, can draw the arc, and then C2 as center. C2 as center, you can draw the arc here, and then C4 as center, you can also draw the arc. So this is how you have to draw the circle. It looks like an ellipse in the isometric view. Now to transfer at a height of 60 mm, we will consider 60 mm height. So 60 mm height will be taken. Consider this is 1. We'll mark here first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is a 6. So distance will be taken from here to 6. And then from the center will be taken by joining opposite corners. And then that 60 mm will be taken from the divider. We'll cut here. There we'll get the center. Now I'll transfer these lines, or you can take very simple, will tell from 60, here we'll get the 60 point directly from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we'll get the center. Now from 60 you can measure here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You will get second and fourth point here 1, 2, 3. You will get second here 1, 2, 3. You will get fourth here. The same way 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Here we'll get third point. You can take 1, 2, 3. Here we'll get first point. So once again I will make here one box with a thin line. I have made a box here once again, the same box I made here. Now we'll take the center 1, 2, 3, 60 mm will be there. We'll take the center once again. Once again the same procedure. We'll transfer this corner to the opposite center. So again this center to the opposite corner. With thin line, all of you have to draw with thin lines. Next, 1 as center here. From 1, we'll take this as radius, or you can take this as radius. We'll draw the arc, so both will intersect here. And then 3 as center, again you have to draw the arc the same way. And then this as center, once again you have to draw the arc. And then this as center, once again you have to draw the arc. Now after drawing the arcs on either side, here you have to give only tangency, no need to draw any of the lines. Tangency these two, and then tangency for these two. Then this will be dark, this part will be dark, this part will be dark, top face completely dark, this part is invisible. So this is how you have to construct a cylinder in the isometric view. Now we'll show how to construct a pyramid. Once again from this 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, because 60 is there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So already I have marked, and then we'll mark a centers. So centers are marked. Then without any lines also we can draw easily. So take this as center, this as radius, then this as center, this as radius, and then so this as center, this as radius, and then this as center, so don't worry, I have taken the distance from here 1, 2, so 1, 2, because of that I have taken this, don't think about that. Then height, how to take the height I already explained. So height you will get here only directly. So this will be your height from here. By joining this and this, we'll get the height here. So I'll just extend these two. So height will be from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here will be your height. So here also no need to draw any of the lines, only have to make the tangency to the circle. So no need to draw any of the lines, because if you give tangency, this part is not visible. You can remove this or you can keep as it is, but this should be dark. This is just invisible. This is how you have to construct a cone and cylinder by using the grid set.